Since its launch in 2022, the Croí Cónaithe Vacant Property Refurbishment Grant has proven to be a major success in County Cavan and has delivered substantial benefits across the county. To date, Cavan County Council has received over 600 applications, with more than 450 approvals issued. Already 120 homes have been fully refurbished and completed, bringing vacant and derelict properties back into productive use and supporting the ongoing revitalisation of towns, villages and rural communities. Cavan County Council has paid out over $6 million in grants to homeowners who undertook refurbishment projects under the scheme. This represents a major investment in both private home creation and the broader effort to tackle vacancy and dereliction across County Cavan. The grant continues to play a pivotal role in supporting homeowners, while also serving as a key strategic tool in addressing long-term vacancy within the county's housing stock. Cavan County Council has exceeded all vacancy-related targets set out under the National Housing for All plan, and is positioned to continue this strong performance under the upcoming Delivering Homes and Building Communities strategy. Cavan County Council remains committed to ensuring that vacant and derelict properties are brought back into use, contributing to the sustainable communities and increasing the availability of quality housing across County Cavan.